Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to report someone on Instagram, whether they're posting harmful content, spamming, or violating Instagram's rules. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Now, go to the profile of the person you want to report. You can find them by using the search icon at the bottom and typing their username. Once you're on their profile, tap the three dots in the top right corner. From the pop-up menu, tap Report. Instagram will now ask you why you're reporting this account. Choose the reason that best fits. For example, it's posting content that shouldn't be on Instagram, it's spam, or it's pretending to be someone else. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete your report. Instagram will review it and take action if it violates their community guidelines. And that's it. You've successfully reported an account on Instagram. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful Instagram tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.